Yes, good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and already we have dealt with addition, subtraction, multiplication. Today we are going to deal with division. Division is a process of distribution or sharing of things equally or dividing into groups, and it is nothing but repeated subtraction. And the terms related to division are dividend. The number to be divided or the number which we need to divide is called the dividend, denoted by capital D. And divisor, the number by which we divide is divisors, that is denoted by small d. And quotient, the answer or the result we get after division is called as quotient. And remainder, the number left over after division, that is remainder. And the symbol used for division is one dash, up and down dots are kept below the line and above the line. Two dots are kept. That is the symbol for division. Here 17 divided by 3. So let us divide 17 by 3. 3 5s are 15. So 17 minus 15 is 2, and this is remainder. The leftover number after division is remainder. 5 is the quotient and 3 is divisor small d, and the divisor dividend is 17 denoted by capital D. Remember that remainder should always be less than the divisor. If the remainder is greater than the divisor, your division is wrong. Yes, children, there are different methods of division, and the first method is division is grouping equally. 10 divided by 5. So, 10 divided by 5 is we have 10 balls are there, and we are dividing by 5 balls in each group. Then how many groups we get? 2 groups. Each group has 5 balls. And 14 divided by 2. So each group has 2 articles, and we are dividing into 14 stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 stars are there, and we are dividing by 2. Then how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups are there. When 14 stars are divided when 14 stars are divided with equal groups of 2, we get 7 groups. And when 10 balls are divided by 5 balls in each group, then we get 2 groups, that is grouping equally. And the next method is division on number line. Division on number line, which you have already learnt in second class. 15 divided by 3. So for this division on the number line, we have to start from the dividend, that is 15. Underline the number 15, and we have to take 3 steps backward until you get 0. 15. 1, 2, 3. Next, again 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. And again 3 steps backward. So, taking 3 steps backward from the dividend 15, you have to move until 0. How many moves you have taken? That is the quotient. In this way, division can be done on the number line. Next, for every division fact, we have two multiplication fact. Every division fact has two multiplication facts. Eight fours are 32. That is, 32 is considered as the dividend. The product is considered as the dividend, and this as the divisor. 4 becomes the quotient. And when 32 is taken as dividend again, and 4 as the divisor, 8 becomes the quotient. Five nines are 45. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. When this becomes the divisor, this becomes the quotient. And when this becomes the divisor, this becomes the quotient. Just dividend is divided by both the factors 5 and 9. In this way, two multiplication facts can be written from a division fact. And we shall show that division is repeated subtraction. How is division repeated subtraction? Let us see now. Division is repeated subtraction. Thirty divided by 6. For this, you need to subtract 6 until you get 0. Keep on subtracting 6 from the answer which you get here. 30 minus 6, 10. This becomes 2. 10 minus 6, 4. And bring down 2. Again 6. Subtract 6 from 24 now. This becomes 14. This becomes 1. 14 minus 6. Start counting after 6 after to 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have opened 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. Bring down 1. 18 minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Bring down 1. 12 minus 6. Count after 6 to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6. 6 minus 6, 0. How many times you have subtracted 6? 2. Here third time. Here fourth time. So 30 minus 6 equals 5. In this way, division is carried by repeated subtraction. (56) divided by 7. 56, 7. 56 minus 7, 16. Borrow. 5 becomes 4. 16 minus 7, 9, 49. Again subtract 7. 9 minus 7, 2. Bring down 42. Again subtract 7. This becomes 12, which becomes 3. 12 minus 7 is 5, 35. Again 7. 15. This becomes 2. 15 minus 7 is 8. Bring down 2. 8 minus 7, 1. Bring down 2. 21 minus 7, 11. 11 minus 7, 14. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 7, 0. So how many times we have subtracted 7 here? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carry out here. 7, 8. So 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. In this way, you have to subtract the divisor from each step until you get the remainder 0. How many times you have subtracted the divisor, that becomes the quotient.